Hi everyone, my name is Lori Best and I teach 7th grade computer science here at Hastings Middle School. I just wanted to make a brief video for you in case you weren't able to join us last night for our open house and tell you a little bit about what this year will entail. Here's a little bit about me, which your student will hear a lot about my family and my dog and all those fun crazy things personally, but what I really want to get into is what we're going to do this year. Now, if your student was here at the middle school last year, in 6th grade, there was a STEM class with Mr. Molo, and I basically kind of continue that on. We focus primarily on programming, and so we do that in a variety of ways. When we start out the year, we do a lot of problem solving and perform what's called the iterative process, where you keep trying and trying and trying to get things right or make them better and improve it. Newsflash, programmers never really get it totally right the first time, and they always want to fix it, make it better, and see what else you can get something to do. So that's kind of the mindset that we are going to work on this year with a lot of problem solving. In Unit 2, then we get right into websites. Your student will program their own website, web page, adding images, learning how to cite that in an online or digital format. We do take a little break and spend some time with robots. Now, these robots are called Spheros. They're a little different than what your students may have seen last year. Spheros travel, have lights.
Welcome to computer science.
And I don't know if you can hear the sound, but they also make sound as well, along
I
with a
hope
very
you are
cool
ready
light
for school
show.
to start.
So we'll spend some time with those. Lots of fun, highly engaging. Students love that unit. We spend some time in the website Scratch. So if you've ever played around in Scratch, it's a free resource and platform through MIT and teaches kids how to start programming things very early, and it's easy to learn. So we'll do some animation, some game design, and then last year we created this cool like text to speech kind of program where you could choose the language that you wanted it to speak in and play around with that, which was tons of fun. We use code.org primarily for our platform in learning, and we'll do animations and games in code.org as well. And they've also added some small units on AI, as well as a very cool music lab section where you can digitally mix or remix all kinds of different sounds. So lots of fun. Again, I have you every other day in 7th grade on our A day, B day schedule, depending on when you're here. And I look forward to a great year. So rest up and get ready for the start of a great new school year. I'll see you next week.